Hello everyone, I'm coming to you with my small Publix haul for March 24th. My sale started on Thursdays and end on Wednesdays. Today is Friday. I managed to pick up a couple of the BOGO items that's on sale this week. I picked up one of the Seapak Morey's wild cod, and one Seapak Morey's wild flounder. They was BOGO for $10.89. I did have a coupon for $1.25 off of one, so I used two of those coupons. Then they had the bacon on sale, excuse me, the Hatfield bacon on sale. Those were BOGO for $8.99. So those are like $4.50 a piece, which I thought was an excellent deal for bacon because bacon is so sky high. I didn't have any coupons for that one. Then I picked up two of the Fresh Express chopped salads. They were BOGO for $5.49. I picked up one chopped salad Caesar and a chopped salad bacon Thousand Islands. I did have $1 coupon for each one of those, so those brought those down to $3.49, or I think $1.75 a piece. Where I got the coupons from, they were out of the newspapers. I'll have that down below, so if you want to pick up any of these deals, you can with the coupons. So my out-of-pocket was $20.87. There was no tax involved because this was all food. But I submitted my receipt to Mypoints, got 3 cents back. I scanned my items into NCP. Then my fetch points, I only got 4 cents back. Ibotta, I got $3.50 back for the Seapak. And that was, I think those were $1.75, I think, on Ibotta, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, $1.75 each, which made it $3.50. So after all of my cashback apps, the total of that was $3.57. Take the total I paid out was $2.87. And left me with $17.30 for 6 items, or $2.88 each, which I didn't think that was bad because I did get fish, I got bacon, and I got salad. That's all I have for you guys today. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like I always say, happy savings, happy shopping. Bye-bye.